Not
on
as
top.
beautiful as. Oh, there's a dead. There's the dead mosquito with your blood on it.
Ah, stop it.
Finally starting our Vernal Falls hike.
Oh, tired already. Who is the girl? This or that?
Oh, what's that? Insect repellent dinner. Candlelit dinner, I mean.
People say it's romantic, but actually it's utility.
Yeah, it's just citronella candle.
Yeah. We can do it!
At this point, we actually ran out of water. Luckily, we ran into Steve and David, who were filtering some water from a creek. When I unintentionally gawked at their water filter, they saw through our thirst and kindly helped to refill our bottles. Turns out, they are also on their way to Eagle Peak. But because they are campers with big bags and were still packing, we just thanked them and we carried on.
Last stretch. Eagle Peak! It's there. It's a preview. Ooh. Hello.
The view is great,
Yes.
but I don't know, can we make it down in time?
Yeah, we got about 4 hours to get down. Bye-bye. Ouch. Okay. We are steps from being back. Mosquitoes raiding our flash. The light waning into the dark.
My wife screaming at me. Why?
How do you feel? Eagle Peak, 6 miles.
One way or two way? That one way only.
Yeah. Yeah, one way. So we did 12 miles today, plus the upper falls, probably 13 miles. Would you do it again? Is it worth it? I think it is.
Questionable.
I think it's worth it.
Maybe. Maybe.
I think you should go.
Maybe.
Recommended.
If you want blisters on your leg, running for sunlight setting, yeah, go ahead.
Just start earlier and
Yeah.
be more prepared.
Earlier than 10:30.
Or just be faster, fitter than us.
Oh yeah, that works too.
Beautiful views.
Many rocks in your toes,
Not
on
as
top.
beautiful as. Oh, there's a dead. There's the dead mosquito with your blood on it.
Ah, stop it! Now why you from there?
Hike the like and subscribe. See you in the next adventure.